All right, so let's start with some news coming in from the United States, where a major legal win is expected for Harvard as federal judge says that she's going to block the Trump's order that bans international students from Harvard University. The federal judge is expected to pass an order pretty soon, which will block the Trump administration from enforcing a ban on international students from Harvard, with the administration specifically targeting the Chinese students. Now, this development comes just hours after the Trump administration filed a notice of intent to withdraw Harvard University's certification under Student and Exchange Visitor Program. The notice gave the university 30 days to provide reasons against the withdrawal, and the upcoming court decision is going to be yet another win for Harvard as the university remains deadlocked in an intense standoff which began weeks ago, when Trump had first targeted the university's aid and finances after Harvard refused to oblige with certain orders that the administration had asked the university to implement. All right, now to give us more updates on this, we're joined on this broadcast by our correspondent Susan Tehrani, who's joining us over the phone line. Susan, what's the latest on the story?
Yeah, Mohammed, as you mentioned, this is the latest move by this judge to be able to do something like this, and we anticipated it. You know, this is a decision to block the Trump administration's attempt to bar Harvard University from enrolling international students. There are a few things that could happen next. The Trump administration could appeal the preliminary injunction issued by this U.S. district judge. It could also go into the administrative process where the Department of Homeland Security, although it has provided Harvard with a 30-day notice to respond to allegations, including insufficient response to its anti-Semitism on campus in coordination with foreign entities, they can continue to proceed that process as well. That potentially could lead to a formal revocation of Harvard's certificate if the university's response is deemed inadequate by the Trump administration. And so, you know, that'll sort of put Harvard in a very difficult position, even though this judge has made this preliminary injunction, so to say. And then, of course, there's the public advocacy aspect of it as well, that we'll have to see how public opinion really shapes.
Absolutely, indeed. That's, of course, something we'll have to watch out very closely for. Thank you very much, Susan Tehrani, for joining us with all those details there.